Hello children and welcome to the maths class. Children, today we will be continuing with the same lesson, that is chapter number 9, and the new exercise, that is exercise 9.4. And I hope you are clear with the concepts of measurement till exercise 9.3. Before we start exercise 9.4, children, I would like to make clear that I have told you in the beginning that we will be using the units which we are using daily in our life. The extra units we will not be doing. So because of that, there are some changes in the questions from the book. The method and everything will remain the same, only the sums I have changed a slight. So you have to practice, you can practice those sums in your practice copies. So we directly start with the questions. Question number 1 we will be doing. Find the sum. What do you mean by sum? Sum means the addition. Find the sum of the following metric measures in both units and decimals. So we start with question number 1A. Question number 1A. 5 kilometers. I have cut down this hectometer and diameter, so I straight away move to 3 meters. Then 7 kilometers and 15 meters. This I have changed. And 4 kilometer 26 meter. Okay. Now when you do these sums, children, there are two units. One is kilometer, other is unit. Kilometer, meter, kilometer, meter, kilometer, meter. So you will make two columns. The column with the higher unit will be on the left hand side. Always remember that higher unit comes on the left hand side and the smaller unit comes on the right hand side. Now you will copy down these and arrange them in columns. When you arrange them in columns, take one number at a time. Otherwise you will make mistake. So it is, I'll take another thing. So it is 5 kilometers 3 meters. So we will write 5 under this kilometer and meter is 3. Then we move on to the next. 7 kilometers and 15 meters. See children, the meter quantity should come under meter, kilometer quantity should come under kilometer. And the next one is 4 kilometers 26 meters. Now before solving them, children, make it a habit of making them according to their units. Now you know that there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. So 1000 means how many zeros? 3. That means there should be 3 places over here. Could you get it? Since there are no 3 places, so we will be adding 0 like this. On the left side, don't put it on the right side. Because this is 3 meters, it is not 300 meters. So we will be putting zeros over here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There were only 3, so we have put 2 zeros. There were only 2 digits, so we have put 1. 2 digits, so we have put 1. Now you start adding it. Children, make it a habit of doing this. Otherwise, you might make mistakes in some of the sums. Okay? So now you add it. 6 and 5 is 11. 11 and 3 is 14. 1 carry. 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 0. 5 and 7, 12. 12 and 4 is 16. Okay, and check it again. 6 and 5, 11. And 3, 14. 1 carry. 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 2, 4. 0. 7 and 5, 12. 12 and 5, 16. So your answer is, now they have asked the answer both in units and decimals. So it will be 16 kilometers because it is under kilometer and it is 044 meters. If you are writing only 44 meters, then also it is correct. Now the second thing, or decimal. Now how to write it? Now what you do, children, you will combine this 1, 6, 0, 4, 4. Count that, as you know there are 1000 meters and 1 kilometer, that means there should be 3 places. So count 1, 2, 3, put the decimal and put the higher unit only. Here we have written 16 meters 44 meters, 16 kilometers 44 meters. When you convert into decimal, you will write the answer as a complete. Count 3 places from the right, put the decimal and always put the higher unit. When you convert this into decimals, you will always put the higher unit. I hope this is clear. Okay? So, have a look once. Then we move on to the next sum. Sum number B, I think I will be doing. Okay. Sum number B, it is 7 kilogram, 250 grams, and I'll take 10 milligram. Then 5 kg, that is kilogram, 380 grams and 170 milligram. Then there is third, and it is 2 kg, 680 gram. Okay, same way. Now children, see here, how many units in one sum? Kilogram, gram and milligram. That means there will be 3 columns. First of all, you will see how many columns you have to make. Since there are 3 units, you will make 3 columns over here. So it will be kilogram, gram and milligram. Now you will copy down one number or one sum at a time. It is 7, 250, 10. Now move to the second one. Since it is kilogram, we will put under kilogram, 380, 170. Put a little gap in between so that it becomes easier for you to solve. And then the next is 2 kg, 680 grams, and I forgot to write the milligram. So I can take 28, okay, milligram, 28. Now what will be the next step? Put the sign of plus and make all. Now how many milligrams are there in 1 gram? 1000. 1000 means how many zeros? 3. So how many places should be there in milligram? 3. So we will put extra 0. There are already 2 places, so we will put 1. There are already 3 places, we need not put 0. There are 2 places, so we will put 1. Now we will start adding. 800 is 8. 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10. 1 carry. 1 and 1, 2. 0. 8 and 8, 16. 16 and 5 is 21. 6 and 3, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 and 1, 8 and 2, 10 and 5 is 50. Okay, so your answer is 15 kilogram, 310 gram, 208 milligram. Clear? I hope this much is clear to everyone. Okay, now we will convert them in decimals. Children, in the previous sum there were only 2 units. Okay, in the previous sum we had kilometers and meter. So after the kilometers we put the decimal and put the higher unit. Here we have got 3 units: kilogram, gram and milligram. Okay, and now this is the answer. You have got 15 kilograms, 310 grams and 208 milligrams. Now you have to convert this in decimals. There will be 3 steps and any one of you will write. If suppose in question it is asked to convert in kilograms, or they can ask me as convert in grams or convert in milligrams. Then in decimals, how you have to write the answer, that I will show. Now for that, what you will do in the writing in decimals, it is or 15. If suppose you have to write in kilograms, so it will be 15 and then put the decimal after because it is kilogram, and then write down the number as such 10208. This will be a kilogram. Okay, then the rest I'll be writing over here because there is no space. Now if suppose I have to convert it into grams, so it will be 15310 and then I'll put the decimal and then write number 208 and it is grams. Answers are coming in decimal. You have to take care of the units. Okay. Then the third one, if you have to convert into milligrams, it will be 15310,208 and then decimal and it will be milligram. I hope this is clear. You have put the decimal after the kilograms and put the unit kilogram. You have put the decimal after grams and you have written the unit gram. Here you have put the unit after the milligram and you have written the unit milligram. This is how you convert in decimals. Okay. Then one more sum I will be showing on the board. I hope this much is clear to everyone. So this was your sum number B, and okay, I will be doing sum number D now. Okay, C, I'll again change the sum. Sum number C, it is, suppose I take it 5 meter 7 centimeter, 9 meter 6 centimeter and 12 meters 19 centimeter. So how many columns should be there? Meter, centimeter, so there will be 2 columns only. Meter, centimeter. Always remember to write the higher unit on the left hand side and the smaller unit on the right hand side. So now we will copy down 5, 7, second sum, 9, 6, 12 and 19. Okay. So then what will be the next step? Put the sign of plus. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? 100. That means there should be 2 units. This is already 2 unit. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you add it. 9 and 6, 15. 15 and 7 is 22. 2 carry. 2 and 1, 3. Okay. Then we move on to this. 9, 10, 11. 11 and 5, 16. It is 26. Just check it. 9 and 6, 15. 15 and 7, 22. 2 and 1, 3. 5 and 9, 14. 15, 16. So your answer is 26. It is under meters column. So meter, and this is 32 centimeter. Now in decimal. Decimal, so you will write down 26. There are 100 meters, 2 zeros, so we put 32 and the higher unit as your answer. Okay, 2 times I have written the answer. So this will be like this. Okay, then another one I'll take. Sum number D. Okay, I'll do over here. It is 62 liters, 250 milliliters, and okay, there's long sum, so I will rub it only. Same way you will be doing sum number D. 62 liters, 250 milliliter. I am showing the sum for every all the units, no? 44 liter, 750 milliliter, and 35 liter, 180 milliliter. By now you must have got how to do it. Clear? 2 units, so we'll make 2 columns. Copy down the sums: 62, 250, 44, 750 and 35, 180. Put the sign of plus because sum is asked. Check how many milliliters are there in 1 liter? 1000. So there should be 3 places: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means we don't need to put 0 over here. Clear, children? So make it a point. Now add it: 0, 5 and 5, 10 and 8, 18, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11, 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 4, 7, 7 and 10, 5, 12, 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11, 11, 3 is 40. Check it once again: 0, 5 and 5, 10 and 8, 18, 1 carry, 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 7, 10 and 1, 11, 1 carry, 2 and 1, 3 and 4, 7, 7, 5, 12, 7, 40. So answer 142 liters, 180 milliliter, or in decimal, after the liter you will put the decimal 180 and the higher unit is the answer. Again I have written this. I hope this is clear. Then okay, now we move on to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. In this, find the difference and write expanded form in units. And write expanded forms in units. Difference means subtraction. So these are subtraction sums. Question number 2A. We will not change any sum in this because they are direct sums. So it is 5594.039 kilometers and 2962.436 kilometers. Now children, in this, see, the sums are already in decimals. They are already in decimals, so we don't need to put 2 columns. We will directly subtract and we will put decimal below decimal. How we will do it? We will do it, change this, 5, 5, 9. You already know that you have to subtract the smaller unit from the bigger unit. So you will write the smaller unit on the top. Decimal 039. Then this is also 4-digit number. So 2962. Put the decimal below the decimal, 436. And now subtract. Now already 3 places, so you no need to put a 0 over here. 1, 2, 3, because there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer. 1000 meter means 30, that means 3 places. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we will not put extra 0. Okay, now subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now you cannot subtract, so you will borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here it will remain 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 9 minus, put the decimal over here, below the decimal. 9 minus 3 is 6 is 3. You cannot subtract. 6, 15 minus 9 is 6. 4 minus 2 is. Okay, so this was, and then first check it. 3 and 6, 9. 0 and 3 is 3. 6 and 4, 10, 0. 1 carry. 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 6 and 3, 9. And sorry, this will be your 15 minus 9. 6, sorry, it will be 6. And 4 minus 2 is so. So your answer is, see, it is already in kilometers, so it is 2CE1 0.603 kilometers, or they have asked you to write in the units. It will be 2631 kilometers, and this will be your meters, 603 meters. Just see, you know that it is written higher unit, that means this part is kilometers, so remaining part is your meters, so I have written over here. Okay, go through it. So this is clear. Then we quickly move on to the next question. B1. I try to do both the sums together. So B1, sum number B, it is 8.393 grams and 7.387 grams. Already in decimals, and the unit is written. Only one unit you can write with the decimal. This is bigger, this is smaller, so we will write this first. 393. It is 7. Put the decimal below the decimal. 387. Subtract. You cannot subtract 7 from 3, so you will borrow. So it becomes 13. So it will be 4. 6, 8 minus 8 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. Put the decimal below the decimal, 8 minus 7 is 1. So your answer is 1.006 grams, or this will be your kilogram. So it will be 1 kilogram 006 grams. Sorry, it will be 1 gram and 6 milligram. Even if you are not writing this, it's well and good. Okay? Clear? Then we move on to the third sum. It is C. 4.729 liters and 1.553 liters. This is the first sum, 4729. Now arrange it. Both of them are in liters, so it will be 4.729. Put the decimal below the decimal. Subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. 12 minus 5 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. Decimal 3. So your answer is 3.176 liters, or you can write down or 3 liters 176 milliliter. Okay, just have a look. Try to understand, and children, please do these sums in your practice copy. So with this, we finish today's class. Do practice, to go through the video thoroughly so that you can understand the concept. Stay safe and take care.